This is the most expensive house ever built in the world. It is neither in America nor in New York, but it is in India's city Mumbai. Welcome once again to the Dark Reality videos. This is a 2017 story building, the personal house of India's business tycoon Mukesh Ambani. It is located in Mumbai and is known by the name Antilia. According to several estimates, the price of this house is $2 billion, meaning 15,000 crore rupees. But many people believe that not Antilia, but Buckingham Palace is the most expensive house in the world. Because the price of Buckingham Palace is $5 billion. But Buckingham Palace is a government property, whereas Antilia is a private house. So if it is said that Antilia is the most expensive private house in the world, it would not be wrong. What is there in this luxurious house that makes it the most expensive house in the world? You will find out in today's video. There are many rooms in this house that are not lived in. Because of which this 27-floor building looks like a 50 or 60-story building. The first 6 floors of Antilia are made as a luxurious car parking area. In this parking area, 170 cars can be parked at the same time. Many of you might know that Mukesh Ambani is very fond of luxury cars. And his collection includes 168 cars. Apart from this luxurious parking area, this house also has a car service station, where only Ambani family cars are serviced. If you don't feel like traveling by car, the option of a helicopter is always open, as there are 3 helipads on the roof of Antilia. From the parking area, the path leads to a grand lobby, where not 1 or 2, but a total of 9 elevators are installed. Apart from the Ambani family, if someone uses the elevators, they only stop on the floor for which they are authorized. Above that, there is a recreational center spread across 2 floors, which includes a swimming pool, gymnasium, juice bar, dance studio, and yoga studio. As you go higher, you will find a spa, salon, and massage rooms, along with a very large luxurious hall, which can be used for different events. Talking about entertainment, this house also has a cinema, where 50 people can sit and enjoy movies. There are numerous terraces and balconies in this house, where plantation can be seen. Along with that, plantation is also visible on the walls of Antilia, whose purpose is to keep the walls and rooms cool during the summer. Speaking of cooling, it is also worth hearing that in June, July, when the temperature in Mumbai reaches 40 degrees Celsius. At the same time, in one part of Antilia, it is -2 or -3 degrees Celsius. Yes, this house also has a winter wonderland, which creates artificial snow with the help of generators, where you can enjoy snow even in extreme heat. The design of this luxurious structure was done by a Chicago-based architecture firm, while the interior design was done by an Australian company. But the surprising thing is that this 400,000 square foot building was built for only 5 people to live in: Mukesh Ambani, his wife Nita Ambani, and their 3 children. But even more surprising is that for serving these 5 people and maintaining this luxurious house, a staff of 600 people has been hired. This includes chefs, cleaners, drivers, security staff, electricians, and plumbers. A full floor in Antilia is dedicated to the residence of this staff. Most of the construction of this house includes marble, crystal, and pearls, along with world-class entertainment and facilities. This house also has a temple, and statues of several Hindu deities are present in it. Mukesh Ambani is the owner and chairman of Reliance Industries, and he is considered not only India's but Asia's richest person. India, which is the second most populous country in the world, has a large portion of its exports contributed by Mukesh Ambani, which is truly a great achievement. And because of this, Mukesh Ambani is counted among the richest people in the world. Yes, with a net worth of billions of dollars. Mukesh Ambani ranks 15th among the richest people in the world. If you want to know where Mukesh Ambani spends so much wealth, then like this video. If this video gets 100 likes, I will make a video on this topic. And if you know anything more about this house, then tell in the comments section below. See you in the next amazing video.